This is the most beautiful garden interior exhibition in Korea. Today, I'm going to show you the types of stepping stones that are used in gardening. The stepping stones used for garden landscaping must be made of natural materials to be beautiful and safe. This is an etched stepping stone made of natural granite from Vietnam. It comes into colors dark, black, and beige. This is a beautiful stepping stone in the shape of a kidney bean made from natural granite. It is a proud material of civil engineering Korea, which has a design patent as a stepping stone for garden landscaping in Korea. This stepping stone is the first milled stone-shaped stepping stone I made. It's a handmade stepping stone that takes the shape of a classic milled stone. Our product is characterized by making a hole in the middle, even if the cost is higher, so the color would fade and the beauty will come out more. This square stepping stone is also a beautiful material. It is handmade from vintage sandstone from India and Turkey, and the sandstone is made of 2 tons, so it is really beautiful. It's a stepping stone created by our design team that doesn't exist in the world. There's no such designed stepping stone anywhere in the world. It's made of red sandstone, and it's made of short raster on the surface to express the vintage. Our garden landscape interior design team is developing the most beautiful materials in the world. I'll give you a more detailed description of the vintage stepping stone. The characteristic of this material is that the surface is really natural and beautiful. You have to make it handmade to create this feeling. You can't express this feeling if you process the whole process with a machine. If you look at the surface of the stepping stone, the beauty of the waves is still alive. Because it's processed using the grain of granite as it is, it can create this feeling. If you use a few of these for the landscaping of your garden and your yard, your garden will be elevated in dignity. In particular, this stepping stone was developed into tons of color. It's the most beautiful material in existence that combines beige and gray. These stepping stones create more beautiful colors when it rains and gets wet. And when it dries, it changes to a different color. When these materials are used to decorate the garden, it becomes a luxurious garden that creates a feeling of using 2 materials. Our garden or yard should be built with natural materials. A house with a beautiful garden is said to be harmonious and happy. Now that we have to live 100 years old, decorating the garden has become more important.